My name is William. Every day, I go to the forest, find a tree to cut down, and make it a firewood. This is also my income to sustain the daily needs of my family. One day, I found a tree that good to cut down. I cut down those trees every day and I don't thinking about our nature. As time goes on, the trees are depleted due to its constant cutting. It was like a dream. I couldn't understand what happened to me. Nature showed me what would happen when I continue to cut down trees. So since then I haven't cut down trees. Now, I am one of the protectors of our nature. Please help our nature and protect